How to delete account on Polymarket. So here's a step-by-step guide. The first way of deleting your account will be reaching out to Polymarket support. So since Polymarket doesn't have an automated account deletion option within the platform interface, if you want to delete your account, you will need to contact their support team. You can reach them by sending an email to this email with a request to delete your account, including details like your account information, the reason for your request, and any relevant information that can help them identify your account. Now, the second way of how we can delete our Polymarket account will be removing our personal information. So we can disconnect our wallet from Polymarket and remove or edit profile information if we have provided any. The third way of how we can delete our account or remove our account is by clearing the cookies and data. So after contacting support, we have to clear our browser cookies and local storage related to the Polymarket, so we can remove any stored data on our local device. If you want to completely remove any info associated with Polymarket, you can unsubscribe to the newsletter if you're subscribed. And keep in mind that because Polymarket is blockchain based, or it is blockchain based, the platform uses decentralized wallets and transactions on the blockchain cannot be reversed or deleted. So while your account and personal data may be removed from their interface, on-chain activity like your transaction history remains permanently stored on the blockchain. So I hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.